What will win in a drag race between the new BMW M2, which now has more power, a VW Golf R, a Mercedes AMG A45 S, an Audi RS3 and a Porsche Cayman GT4 RS? Well, we're going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching Carwow. The BMW M2 has a 3-litre twin turbocharged straight 6 engine with 480 horsepower and 600 Newton meters of torque. It drives the rear wheels via an 8-speed torque converter automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,700 kilograms and costs from £69,000. The Volkswagen Golf R has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol with 333 horsepower and 420 Newton meters of torque. This drives all 4 wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,550 kilograms and costs from £46,000. The Mercedes AMG A45 S has a 2-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol with 421 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. Drives all 4 wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs 1,680 kilograms and costs from £65,000. The Audi RS3 Saloon has a 2.5-litre turbocharged 5-cylinder petrol engine with 400 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque. This drives all 4 wheels via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. It weighs 1,640 kilograms and costs from £62,500. Finally, the Porsche Cayman GT4 RS has a 4-litre naturally aspirated flat 6 petrol engine with 500 horsepower and 450 Newton meters of torque. Drives the rear wheels only via a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control. The car weighs in at 1,415 kilograms and costs from just under £126,000. Okay then guys, what we're going to do now is do a sound check. So I'm going to rev up the M2 and see what it sounds like compared to the others. Here we go. Still no soft limiters, BMW for the win. I think I've got some fake noise through my speakers. Let's have a listen. Now it's still good on the outside. Let's have a listen to your Golf. Have you got the optional Akrapovic?
I don't believe I do, no.
Bullshit, he does.
You do.
Does it really? It's not that good, is it?
I was thinking the opposite. I think it sounds pretty good.
That sounds a lot better though, I think.
Yeah. Let's have a listen to the A45.
Fruity.
And the Audi. This is going to be fruitier still, apart from the soft limiter.
Oh.
That's crap, stop. Right, let's have a listen to the best sounding car here. I hate it when Porsches have soft limiters and you have to put them into launch to like make them rev. Speaking of launch, shall we do it? What the heck was that noise, Rory? What is that? It's like something's falling apart in the car. What is it?
That was just me moving my seat. Maybe I put a bit of timber on.
Honestly, it made the car rattle. It was like it was throwing a rod or something.
No rods, just my fat arse going forwards and backwards.
Should we get one of the drag race then?
3, 2, 1.
Whoa, it bogged a lot then.
My God!
Oh, put it past the Golf!
Oh, Sam is rocketing past.
Come on, come past the Audi!
Oh no! Beat the Golf R though.
First of all, the Audi, you were so far ahead and then so not ahead anymore.
I don't know, it had everything to give to begin with, but fell away after the 8th mile. Don't know what happened. Horrible watching Sam go past.
Rory, what surprised me is how well this launched, because Golf R's really launched well, 4-wheel drive traction, absolutely brilliant. This was amazing.
Yeah, I think I need to be polite about this car because somebody just bought one of these, didn't they? Your mother. It was really good off the line, but ultimately I just fell behind and watched you guys have a race.
The Mercedes, I'm taking it you came last but one.
Yeah, correct. There's a bit of a a delay on the launch and the tyres are very cold, so it was playing about a bit.
Sam, I don't want to talk to you. Let's just do another race.
I win.
3, 2, 1.
Come on! Yes, RS3!
Now this is quick.
That wasn't so good that time.
Oh, now I've lost.
That Mercedes has shot off.
Oh, Max got a great launch, but Sam's was even better.
The M2's coming, that's so quick.
It's the same result.
Woo! I'm being the RS3.
No! Come on, catch that Porsche! Did the Mercedes beat the Audi this time?
Oh yes, I had a great launch and I pulled on Nick and it was so nice.
You pulled Nick and it was so nice. Sam, you won again, but I'm not going to talk to you. We're going to do one more race because I think this is going to be a decider between the Mercedes and the Audi. Let's go again.
Formal protest.
What on earth have you got to protest about? You've got the quickest car.
Yeah, it's really struggling off the line though.
Sam isn't just happy with winning, he wants to win by even more. Right, let's go. Let's see what happens between the Audi and the Mercedes.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, absolutely obliterated him.
Oh, he's got me. On goal.
Still ahead of Sam. Not ahead of Sam.
The Audi's got this one for sure.
Pulling on the Audi again.
Audi, did you beat the Mercedes, yes or no?
Yes, with a capital. Why bother, Max? You bought the wrong car.
To be fair though, as we were getting up speed, I was reeling you back in, so we'll see on the rollers.
Sam, would you actually like to say some things?
Me? So, here's the thing, right? I tried that run with TC on and it was almost exactly the same except less wheel spin. I would like to say pretty happy side of the track is performing well. I'm struggling on this side of the track, if I'm honest. It's a bit slippery, but overall pretty happy.
200 to the times. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Porsche won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.7 seconds. The BMW took 11.9 seconds, the Audi 12.2 seconds, the Mercedes 12.3 seconds, and the Volkswagen was last. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.9 seconds.
Before our next race, a quick message that could save you big time. If you're looking to buy a used car, bike or van anytime soon, then this is for you. We've partnered with our friends at Car Vertical to give you a special offer to check that it's not a write-off, stolen or had its mileage changed. Look at this Mercedes C43 AMG on Car Vertical. It's got a clean mileage record, but it's still flagged as stolen and that status hasn't been cleared. You'd never have known that without a car history check. So when buying a used car, bike or van, run a Car Vertical report using code carwow for 20% off or follow the link in the description. Now, back to the race.
Okay, now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The car's be in automatic mode and their most relaxed settings. Before that though, if you're after one of these cars, right, we've got a great deal on one of them through Carwow. Find out what the car is and the offer, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. You done that? Good. Let's race. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down, please. Oh.
Do something!
Come on, Golf.
Love it, that Mercedes kicked down best.
Oh, this is unpleasant. Can I even catch the Golf?
I'm getting pumped now though. Super pumped.
Porsche's doing its Porsche thing. A similar story there for you, Rory, but your kickdown seemed better than mine.
My kickdown was good, and then, yeah, exactly the same thing happened. But I'm quite interested in what happened to the Audi, Nicholas.
Oh, I don't know. It's in efficiency. Why do these cars have an efficiency mode? It disappointed.
Max, you're ahead of the Audi this time. You happy with that?
I'm really happy with it. I was really surprised by how quick it was to kick down, and it got off really well, and it beat Nick, and that's all I'm concerned about.
Sam, would you like to do another monologue?
The thing about the rolling races is it's quite difficult to stay level, and you know the sun is quite low on my side. I don't know if you guys have that. We're so far away. I just had to judge it through the grass, so that was difficult. I was kind of the car did quite well on my side. I don't know if you guys have that, but yeah, no, overall pretty good.
Thank you for that insight. Let's go into full attack mode, manual mode for the gearboxes. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, go.
Gee, what happened to Sam?
I'm beating the Porsche.
Ah, I can't do it.
I've got a real Rory in this time.
That Porsche is silly quick.
Am I going to beat him?
Come on, girl. I'm going to beat it to the line though. Yes, I defo am. Golf, did you come last?
Only just. This was actually quite good on the manual shift. I didn't need to change manually because it changes up itself anyway in manual mode. But yeah, I almost beat Nick, but I didn't. I came last.
Max, so you beat the Audi.
Honestly, Matt, I'm seriously impressed with the performance of this car. I've just noticed you've got floating centre cups, Nick, but I'm not impressed with the performance of your car.
Nick, thoughts? Maybe a counter punch?
Yeah, just, you know, quarter mile. But yeah, this just isn't as quick over the long runs, is it?
Sam, you didn't win that one, so would you like to give me 5 of your best excuses and reasons as to why?
And here's why. 1, I was doing minus 10,000 RPM at that speed in third gear. I'm the only non-turboed car here, so I was struggling with that. And the sun again is very low.
You're only on 3 excuses. We need 2 more, please.
You cheated because you're deciding when we go. Rory picked all the cars, and I'm suspect as to why he picked that one.
Okay, good point. Sam, quick question. Do you promise not to downshift?
This downshifts quite aggressively in auto, so it's the same difference, no?
But let it do it because you won't be physically doing it, okay? You're going to resist the urge. If the car downshifts, you can't help it, but you mustn't downshift. Come on then, let's go. Now, if you'd rather watch another drag race with Porsche versus BMW versus Audi versus Mercedes, click on the pop-out banner up there or scan the QR code on screen now. If not, stay here for the brake test. Will Sam cheat or won't he? Let's find out.
Stop! Oh, hello.
Freaking hell, I am in the dirtiness of the tarmac. Formal protest. I was basically on the edge of the track where it's really dusty and dirty. You can even see how dirty it is, but yeah. You guys are pretty close, but it appears the Mercedes next worst, then the Audi, then the Golf. Porsche's won, hasn't it?
Yeah, I've come back out of the field that you put me in, and I managed to stop.
Okay, so my excuse doesn't stack up because you're in the same position, is that what you're saying? This is dirty on this side, I'm sure.
I know how dirty that side is because you made me drag race up that one, but yeah, I feel your pain.
Damn. That's a good point. Anyway, listen, I want to say a huge thanks to the people that have lent us these cars. Thank you very much, really, really appreciate it. If you want to compare these cars quarter mile times to everything else we've ever drag raced, then just click on the Carwow logo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.